Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how to use MelodySusie Manicure and Pedicure Nail Drill Kit. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. MelodySusie Manicure and Pedicure Kit comes with the user manual, dust protector to prevent dust splashing. It also comes with the sanding bands. It comes with the nail drill handpiece and 8 kinds of nail drill bits. So this one here is called the large Sapphire Wheel. This is used to remove calluses on the soles of the foot. And this one is called small Sapphire Wheel. This is used to remove hard skin and corns on the soles of the foot. And this one is called Sapphire Callus File. This is used to remove calluses on the soles of the heel. And this one is called the rounded top cutter. This is used to remove product in sidewalls and remove calluses and skin around sidewalls. And this one is umbrella top cutter. It is used to clean cuticle and sidewalls. It also cleans dirt from under the nails. Next is the felt cone. It is used to eliminate dust, polishing, and matting. And this one is the Sapphire Cone. This is used to reduce thick toenails and calluses and remove cracks on heels. Last is the Mandrel. This is used with the sanding bands. It is for thick and fragile nails, trimming, grinding, and polishing. And now I'm gonna show you how to use it. So choose one nail drill bit and then insert the nail drill bit into the handpiece. Next is control the forward, off, reverse button to turn the device on and off or change the rotation direction. And then press the speed control to accelerate or decelerate the rotation speed. So this one is the umbrella top cutter. This one is called the rounded top cutter. This one is the large Sapphire Wheel. This one is the Sapphire Callus File. And this one is the Sapphire Cone. And this is the Felt Cone. And this one is the Dust Protector. MelodySusie's new launch of Manicure and Pedicure kit is the innovative reduced motor design. It helps your body shed dead skin. It is leaving you with glowing, vibrant skin. The first nail care drill combines excellent cutting force with safety and never stop rotating. MelodySusie's Manicure and Pedicure nail drill kit includes everything you need, and it is easy to cope with cuticle removal and polishing such as corn, callus, dead skin, and thick toenails. It is rechargeable, easy to use, and it is cordless. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSE12 to get 10% off when you shop at MelodySusie official store. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.